Tell me, what are the various officer like qualities, OLQs? सिविल सर्वेंट के कुछ गुण होने चाहिए, गुण होने चाहिए ना सिविल सर्वेंट्स में, क्या गुण होने चाहिए? प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एटीट्यूड, बताते जाओ. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एटीट्यूड, हाँ. ओके, पेशेंस. व्हाट एल्स? Decisive. Decisive in what matter? In what manner? Should be able to take decisions, what to include and what not to include. है ना? So inclusion and exclusion should be very clear. What kind of content to include and what kind of content not to include. What points to write and what points not to write. Can you understand this? Which beneficiaries to include in a scheme and which not to include in a scheme. What points to include in a copy in your answer according to the question and what not to include in your copy. Are these two related? If one can decide very objectively which to include, which points to include and which not to include, then it is considered that that person will can display such kind of an objectivity when he or she is planning the schemes or some program, isn't it? Okay. Decision making, right? Then wisdom is very generic. What kind of wisdom? Problem solving attitude, can we also say futuristic? Can we say futuristic? The one who can have a futuristic understanding, who is not just bridled in the past problems, but who can have a positive outlook towards future. Can we say optimistic? है ना? Positive और optimistic, ठीक है, बात समझ में आ गई. ये मतलब दैट पर्सन इज नॉट क्रिबिंग, देश में करप्शन है, सड़कें खराब हैं, लोग करप्ट हैं, ये है वो है, बट दैट पर्सन इज लाइक ओके, वी नो द प्रॉब्लम्स, लेट्स वर्क ऑन इट एंड सॉल्व इट, है ना? ऐसा ही आदमी चाहिए ना. तो हमारे आंसर्स में क्रिबिंग होनी चाहिए क्या? व्हाट शुड बी इन आवर आंसर्स? यस, दिस इज द सिचुएशन, वी मस्ट नो द सिचुएशन, दीज आर द चैलेंजेस, बट this is what we can do, and this has already been done. Should also appreciate what has been already done by the people, है ना? Government. Okay. What else? Time management, very true. So we can understand the kind of nature or character or the ability of a person, that if they can manage their time while attending the paper, they can write 20 answers in that frame of time. If they can finish an answer in about 6.8 to 7 minutes, then it can be easily considered that person is understanding the value of time and they can manage it well. So they will be able to manage different departments and allocate time Korean accordingly. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि वो एक बार स्कूल इंस्पेक्शन पे गए तो बस उसके बाद फिर बाकी सारी चीज़ें, सैनिटेशन, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, हेल्थ, बाकी सब छूट गया. ऐसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए. शुड अ सिविल सर्वेंट बी लाइक दिस, कि जिस पे उसका एक बार अटेंशन चला गया उसके बाद चला गया, उसके बाद आगे पीछे कुछ नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए. ऑफिसर शुड हैव टाइम मैनेजमेंट. इट कैन बी जज्ड बाय योर कॉपी. Judged by your copy. Then management, yes, very important. What is resource management? Which kind of officer is good? Who takes so many resources and then brings out small result, or the one who can work in limited resources and yet bring out good result? Which one is better? What's so our resources should be unlimited, many, concise, yet they should have all the substances. उसमें वो सारी चीजें होनी चाहिए जो हमें अपने आंसर्स में चाहिए, क्योंकि अगला पॉइंट, the knowledge of officer, should it be generic, or the report submitted by an officer, should it be generic, or it should be evidence based, factual in nature, providing adequate references? कैसा होना चाहिए? Generic? Factual, evidence based. Example, अब ऐसे समझो, women should be empowered, and if the women are empowered, the economy will improve. एक तो ये बात है. दूसरी बात है, women should be empowered because IMF has said that if women equally participate in the economy, there will be an increase in GDP by 27%. Thus, there is a need for it. Which one is better? Why? We get something. You understand? हमें एग्जैक्ट डेटा बताया, हमने रेफरेंस दिया किसी बड़े आदमी का, उसने कहा है, जरूरी थोड़ा तुम्हारी बात कोई माने. तो an officer's answer should be something which can be considered to be a authoritative thing, and for that you need to include right references, datas, anecdotes, maybe few documents like economic survey, budget, Niti Aayog's report, and do we require everything under the sun? Specifics. Like, चलो अभी वो हम बाद में देखेंगे. रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट हो गया है ना, द वन हु कैन इन लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज ब्रिंग आउट द मैक्सिमम रिजल्ट, है ना, मैक्सिमम आउटकम. ओके, व्हाट एल्स? Articulation. What is articulation? It is like when you are telling a story, है ना. दो टाइप की मूवीज होती हैं, एक सीक्वेंस में चलती हैं, and then there is a movie which goes in flashback, come back, flashback, come back. You don't know when they are talking about present, when they are talking about the past, and when they have gone in future. Which kind of movie is easy to understand? The sequence one. एग्जामिनर के पास बहुत टाइम है क्या तुम्हारा आंसर पढ़ने का? के पास टाइम है तुम्हारा सीक्वेंस बिठाता रहे, ये क्या बोल दिया, यहाँ पे आ गया, यहाँ नहीं ना. व्हाट दे वांट? सीक्वेंस, लॉजिकल, ये कहते हैं लॉजिकल फ्लो. दिस थिंग इज नोन एज logical flow in your answer. Very, 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 very important. Logical flow in your answer should be there. That how did you reach the conclusion? You introduce, then you provide evidences, then you develop the concept, explain it, and at the end you reach a conclusion. You don't give a conclusion, you reach a conclusion. Conclusion देना नहीं होता, वहाँ तक पहुँचना होता है.